What's going on, guys? Back with a quick video. So I'm getting this thing back in commission, man. I feel so bad. This is a 2012 Sportster 48. I bought it back in 2012, my first cruiser. Did a shit ton of mods to it, especially while I was in Germany. Got the Burley Bar extension kit, Coke bottle grips. Got rid of those stock ones, they suck. What else did I do? Got the squid bars from Zombie squid bars. I mean, all kinds of stuff. Got some pipes, custom wrap pipes from a company called Sick Pipes. Air filter. I mean, I did a lot to it during the time that I had it, and a speedo relocator. You know, just little things. Tank lift, 3-inch tank lift. I did quite a bit of things to it, but man, once I got hurt, I just couldn't ride it anymore. And literally the last time I rode it was like back in 2017. And so it's literally been just sitting in the garage. I just cleaned the garage, it's been buried all over everything. So it looks like a pretty dusty ass bike. So I'm gonna be getting it back into commission here. Gonna ride it, get back on it, and it's gonna cost me about 200 bucks to get it running again. Gotta get a new battery, gotta get a trickle charger to put on over there, so it won't die. Sportsters have a huge problem with the freaking the security system, the alarm system draining the battery. It sucks. And that's part of the reason why I stopped riding it and messing with it. Went through plenty of batteries and just said, you know what, I'm done with it. So I don't know if I'm going to sell it or not. I doubt it. I've had it this long, probably ain't gonna sell it. Anyways, quick update.